gusto rin natin makatulong, bibigyan nila ng additional 20,000 ang napili nilang charity, which is
Smile Train po.
Smile Train. Right, Smile Train?
Alright!
20,000 pesos po kayo mula sa winning team. Si Michael, nasa likod muna siya dahil oras na po para sa fast money. Give me 20 seconds on the clock. Good luck. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, gaano ka kalakas sa junk food? Go.
5.
Name something na sinusukat ng tape measure.
The waistline.
Kung ito ang work mo, madalas kang makakakita ng taong lasing.
Waiter.
Ilan ang friends mong bading?
3.
None.
Name something na pinaliliguan.
Pasok.
The dogs.
Let's go, Charot.
If not the dogs, then maybe a tao. That is just like what my mom does, which is so stupid.
Okay, nandyan ba ang 8?
Nice.
Something na sinusukat ng tape measure, siyempre, bewang. Nandyan ba ang
Bewang or waistline. That's what I said. And then of course when I'm going to school, I mean for your shirts.
Sabi ng survey ay,
Galing! Putang answer naman yan.
Sabi mo 3. Ang sabi ng survey sa 3 ay,
Di naman.
sandaan na. Something na pinaliliguan, sabi mo ay aso.
Top answer yan! Yay!
150.
1/4 na lang! 1/4 na lang! 1/4 na lang! 1/4 out of 200! That's 50 points! 200 divided by 4! 50 na lang! 50 na lang! Yo, Luigi! Can you get the 50 points for me? Good luck!
150 na lang! Kala ko tatapusin na ni Charot eh.
Yeah!
Makikita ng mga viewers sa bahay ang sagot ni Charot. Kaya bigyan niyo po kami itong 25 seconds on the clock. Let's go, Michael. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, gaano ka kalakas sa junk food? 8. 9.
Wala naman 9. Say 5. Mas mataas yan.
Chess. Kung ito ang work mo, madalas kang makakakita ng mga taong lasing. Barista. Ilan ang friends mong bading? 10. Name something
Grabe ka
na
naman.
pinaliliguan. Aso. Pusa.
Pwede pa naman.
50 points, that's all we need. 1 to 10, gaano ka kalakas sa junk food? Sabi mo 9. Sabi ng survey ay,
Only a few, Michael.
ang top answer ay 5. Apparently, hindi lahat.
Sabi ko yun eh.
50-50 o mahilig sa junk food. Something na sinusukat
On average,
ng
5.
message, sabi mo?
Steven, you was playing for the chess.
2 points. Twist the bewa ang top answer.
I said that.
Ilan ang friends mong bading? Ang sabi mo ay 10. Ang sabi ng survey sa 10 ay, hindi daw masyado. Ang top answer ay 2. 2 ang top answer. Something na pinaliliguan, sabi mo'y pusa. Naku,
Pwede naman.
di ba pinaliliguan nila sarili nila? Nandyan ba ang pusa? Meron.
Konti
Ang
lang.
answer ay aso. We need 29, Michael.
29 for the last one, which is, ano yun?
Madalas
Barista.
makakakita ka ng taong lasing.
A job where you see lots of lasing people. And that's a barista.
29.
Is that true?
Kaya ng
Let's
29
see.
points for 200,000 pesos. Barista.
Barista is... Yes! Hanep! Another 200K for 4 days consecutively. 200K for this September River Adventure. Hanep! Hanep! Lalo na idol ko si Michael! Michael Sager! My brother! Yo, what's up, Luigi? Alright, Luigi time!
Ngayong Monday na po, September 9, 4 p.m. po yan mga kapuso!
Yes, Princess Kylin! We love you so much!
Si Miss Connie Reyes dyan at marami pa pong iba.
Iyon, Tita Connie, wow, hello, miss you.
Yay!
Congrats, guys, and good luck on your coming pilot episode. I know it's gonna be good. Kaya, eto na po, isang September